Imagine waking up to the sun hitting the 10-mile range, knowing your only commute today is a few steps to the snow. Welcome to your ultimate mountain sanctuary, perfectly perched right on Breckenridge's iconic 4 o'clock road. This is Tyra Summit Unit D3. Here in Breckenridge, location is everything, and this is the gold standard. Enjoy the effortless luxury of a ski-out lifestyle. Whether you're catching first tracks or heading home for a midday snack, the mountain is quite literally your backyard. But this isn't just any condo. It's a rare opportunity. Situated within the coveted Zone 1, this property offers maximum short-term potential. For more information on this great new listing in Breckenridge, you can reach us online at COMTN Realty. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date on Colorado mountain real estate.